Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making spicy Thai noodles. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. Alright guys, let's talk about these spicy Thai noodles. I like to use Pad Thai rice noodles. But if you can't find those in your local grocery store, you can substitute fettuccine. The texture is a little different, but it's still very good. Here, and I'm going to give them a rough chop. This is fresh cilantro. It's been washed. And I'm just going to give this a rough chop too. Beautiful fresh smell of cilantro. If you don't like cilantro because you feel like it tastes soapy, a lot of people have that. That's just the way it is. You can just use parsley. Now, I have some small carrots here, and I'm just going to slice these in thin strips. Basically, about this size. Now, all the stuff I'm working with right now is garnish. You spread these out and you let people add however much they want to their noodles. Onion is great here, but I'm using a shallot because I'm out of green onions. I thought I had some, I didn't. I don't feel like going to the store, so I'm gonna use just shallot. It has a very similar flavor profile, but green onions would be more appropriate here, but this works really fine, and I really like shallots. But here's a lesson. Always check your ingredients before you start your recipe. Make sure you have everything you need, and also make sure you have the amount you need. The best cooking advice I have for home cooks is 3 things. Always clean as you go. Always make sure you have what you need. And have fun in the kitchen. I already told you guys that we're going to garnish with some peanuts, cilantro, shallots, and carrots. We're also going to use some sesame seeds. And if you like things with an extra little kick, we're gonna use some sriracha. We have crushed red pepper flakes. We have some chili paste right here. This stuff right here. We have vegetable oil, we have soy sauce, we have honey, and we have sesame seed oil right here. Now we're gonna get this started, baby. Our pan right here, we're gonna get it over medium heat. I'm going to pour in the vegetable oil. Now, if I had a Thai chili, I would chop it and use it, but I don't. So we're using crushed red peppers. In goes the crushed red peppers. And we'll let that cook. We're gonna add the sesame seed oil. Gonna get them honey boys in there. Soy sauce. and chili paste. Easiest sauce ever. Now all we gotta do is stir this together. Once it's all mixed super well, we're going to remove it from the heat until our noodles are ready. That's how we do, yo. That's how we do. I'm gonna get some water in this pot. This is for our noodles, guys. Yeah. Now, actually, guys, I got this water for our noodles, but rather using rice noodles or something like fettuccine, just cook them according to package directions. Get the noodles in. Okay, at this stage, these noodles look just like this. The next thing we're gonna do is take it over to the sink and drain the noodles. Now we're gonna put the noodles back into the pot. There's no heat. We have the pot back over the stove, and they'll look like this, guys. I'm so excited, I'm so excited. I'm gonna take that sauce, it's still warm, and pour it over our noodles. Making sure we get all that goodness in there. Yeah, all of it. Now we're just gonna mix the sauce into the noodles, like that. Now that we have our noodles, I'm gonna spoon some into this bowl, like that. Really enough for about 4 people here. That's it. Now, the fun part. I want a little cilantro. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. I want some carrots. Not whole ones. I want some beautiful carrots. Some shallots. I love shallots, guys. Yeah. Few peanuts. Check and see if anyone has any allergies. That's why it's fun to be able to just put what you want in your bowl. And a few sesame seeds on top. And Bob's your uncle. I'm also gonna add a little sriracha, cause I like it spicy like that, son. You can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. Yo, that's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.